Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can start affiliate marketing 100% free. Stay tuned. Hi guys, I'm Jay Roberts, Geeky Dad. This is Building My Empire. In this video I'm going to show you how you can start affiliate marketing 100% free. If you're new to the channel guys, please scroll down and subscribe, hit that notification bell because I'm always making videos just like this, helping you to earn money online, showing you new ideas, documenting my journey. Whatever I learn, I share with you guys. So yeah, please hit the notification bell. So let's dive in. So there's only a few basic steps. One is optional, but if you want to start affiliate marketing 100% free, then this is what you got to do, guys. First, you've got to pick a niche. Now, niche, some people call it a niche. But for the sake of this video, we're going to call it a niche, yeah? So, picking a niche, pick something basically that you're interested in, yeah? Pick something that you're passionate about, because you're going to be making lots of content, guys, and you don't want to be bored, you don't want to be fed up, you want something that interests you, and you can talk about it, you can write about it, you create videos about it, and if it's something you don't like, guys, you're going to find it very hard to do. And in the beginning, you need to create content after content after content. So it makes sense, guys, pick something you like. Now, if you're struggling to find something you like, go on Amazon and have a look on there. They've got lots of different categories and topics, so have a look. And what I recommend, guys, is make a list of 5 different niches that you might be interested in, and then Google and YouTube to find out whether there's any to see basically if there's anyone else making content on that, and to see if there's going to be traffic, because you don't want to be making loads of content and find out that nobody's interested in it, because you're not going to get any sales that way. But so look on Google and YouTube, and don't worry if there's loads of people doing the same stuff, because that means there's loads of traffic. So if there's loads of people making and creating content, that's because they know there's loads of traffic, guys. So don't be put off by that, yeah. Some of the popular topics, niches, are health and fitness, relationships, wealth, yeah. Some more, gaming, technology like photography and that, sports as in like golf, that, yeah. So you can pretty much do anything, guys, but just find something that you're passionate about and you've got an interest in, yeah. So it could be one of your hobbies. Just look, check on Google and YouTube, see if there's anything else out there about it, and then yeah, go from there, guys. So as I said, the beginning is probably the hardest part, guys, because you're gonna have to create loads and loads of content, yeah. And for the content, you need to choose a platform that you're going to be posting on. So I recommend YouTube, guys, because with YouTube, it's a search engine, so people are always going to be searching for things, whereas Facebook is more of a social platform where people just go to chat with their friends and that, they don't go on to buy, whereas on YouTube they're specifically searching for things like that, aren't they? So if you can, and not only that, when you create something, people can find that months and years down the line. Whereas if you post on like Instagram or Facebook, a couple of days later, that you can't find it. If you've created more posts or other people have created posts on that, you're not going to find it's hard to find in it. But whereas YouTube, you just type it in, you can come up on that screen there, and then people can click on it. So that's why I choose YouTube. Now, if you don't like being on camera, you could just put pictures on, and then you do a voiceover kind of thing. And if you don't like talking, you can put pictures up and put like text along the bottom or somewhere on the screen. And some of the videos on some of the stuff on YouTube. Oh, sorry, start again. Some of the stuff on Amazon, you can they've got videos, so you could take a lot of videos from different products. Say for instance, you're doing a product review, or you're doing a product v product, or best of, or things to buy, hot topics, things like that. Yeah, you can choose. You can take a few different videos from the products you're looking at, and then you can put them into like a video montage. And same with pictures. Just put loads of pictures together, do a montage. Yeah. So that's number 2, guys. So number 1 is a niche. Yeah. Find and pick a niche that you're passionate about. Number 2 is basically, guys, is create content. You need to create content for your platform, and like I said, pick YouTube. Like I said, you can do the best of, you can do top 10, you can do product v products, hot things to buy. There's lots of different topics, headings you can do, guys. And for more ideas, just look on, just type in Google whatever you're thinking of doing, and then take ideas from them. Don't copy it like exactly, but you can get some ideas and create your own stuff. Now you're probably thinking, on YouTube you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time, yeah, before you can get monetized and start earning from ad revenue. But guys, that's not the only way you can get earn money on YouTube. There's lots of different ways, including putting your affiliate links in the description. Yeah, so when people click on it, you can earn money. And there's other ways. There's when you do product reviews, basically the same, but like you can do different. You can like talk about a product, put the affiliate link in there. You can actually show the product if you're using it, or just with the videos from Amazon or wherever you get it from. And yeah, you can also, guys, you can also have a video, say for instance like a video like this now where I'm talking, and then on the, I don't know if you can see it, but if you put on the screen, yeah, you could put a picture. You can put a picture there, like an advert what pops up like throughout the video, and then like underneath, some text underneath it saying limited time only, I don't know, $10 today, and link below. And then that'll get them all interested in. I've seen that a few times. That's a good way. But yeah, it's not the only way. I might do some videos about different ways you can earn on YouTube, but that's probably the best and the easiest way, guys, is put affiliate links. Talk about your products, affiliate links, yeah? And then the more popular your videos get, the more subscribers are going to come and watch your videos. Then you're going to get monetized for AdSense, and then you're going to start earning for adverts for being played on your videos. So yeah, it's the best way, guys. Whereas on Facebook, all you can do is put your link there, yeah, and if people click on it for that day or two, then you're going to get commission. But after a couple of days, you're not going to see that post, and it doesn't matter how many people like your it doesn't matter how many people like your post or comment on your post, you're not going to get monetized for ad revenue, are you? So no. Yeah, so what you do, guys, you create your YouTube channel, and you go and sign up for Amazon Associates, yeah, and that's their affiliate program. And on there, like, it's 100% free. So creating your YouTube channel is 100% free. You create your Amazon account, 100% free, yeah. You start promoting products off there, like doing reviews and doing, like, I don't know, creating different content like top 10s and that. You put their affiliate links down in the bottom, yeah. Like I say, it's all 100% free, and Amazon's a well-known company. People are buying on there all the time, and it's a good way to earn, because when people click on your link, guys, they get like a cookie. It's called a tracking cookie, and if they decide with Amazon, yeah, if they decide I don't want to buy this product, and they buy something else while they're on Amazon, you're going to get commission for that. So whatever they buy, no matter if it's your link, if it's the product you're promoting or not, you're going to get commission, guys. And that tracking cookie kind of lasts for 24 hours. So if they decide at that time, oh, I don't want to buy, but then they kind of go to sleep and think, no, actually I want that, get up next day, go back on it, buy it, you're going to get commission, guys. Yeah, so that's a good way. And down the line, guys, if you decide, once you start earning money and you decide you want to invest and upscale your business, which I highly recommend, then you're going to need a funnel builder software. Now, as you know, I use and promote ClickFunnels, which I think is the best one out there, but there is other ones like Builderall, Lead Pages. Then if you've got a website, you've got Thrive Themes, I think it's called. But like I said, I think ClickFunnels is the best way because you can earn commissions from that, and it's growing in popularity all the time. So I recommend jumping on that before it gets too big. And with that, you will need an email autoresponder, guys. Now I use ConvertKit. There's many others out there like Aweber. There's MailChimp, but I don't think you can use that for affiliate links. So there's GetResponse. That's meant to be a popular one. But I use ConvertKit. It's easy, it's simple, and I think it's very good. But yeah, but together you'll need both of them if you want to grow your business, because the sales page, you promote your product on a sales page, and then when people click on it, you capture their email, yeah. So then they get sent then to the next, to like a thank you page where the link is for the products, yeah. But then what you've done, you captured their email into your autoresponder, so then you can start sending them emails on automation, and with different offers, different products, and then so if they decide to buy off that, you're earning extra income and you've not done anything apart from your email sends it out automatically, yeah. So that's a good way. So every time someone opts in, you've got them then for promote other offers. So that is the number one way to grow your business. Every business should be doing it. Every person who wants to start a business should be doing it. I made the mistake. I went almost a year with Movies Games Beyond website where I didn't have an email set up or a sales funnel. I was just sending them straight to the sales page, and then when they bought things, I didn't capture their email, so I couldn't chase them up or follow them up with extra offers. So it's a lot of money you're wasting there, guys. So if you can't afford it, then that's totally fine. How I started the video where it's sign up for YouTube, sign up for Amazon Associates. It's 100% free, guys, and that's a good way to start earning money, yeah. This is just down the line if you really want to upscale your income and grow your business. I will leave the links in the description just in case you decide you want to check them out, or yeah, so highly recommend signing up for Amazon Associates and starting YouTube, and start creating content soon as, guys. Don't wait around. Don't think, oh, I'm not an expert, I can't do this. Just watch some videos about whatever you want to talk about, learn a little bit, then share it, yeah. Because there are people out there who don't know as much as you know. Now you might not know much, but you probably know more than them, yeah. Just keep one chapter ahead. And guys, if you are still unsure about affiliate marketing and you want to get taught how to do it all proper, then other than like my videos, I have also got a link, my number one highly recommended way to make money online, and it's my mentor at Crawford. He will teach you with his free affiliate marketing training, yeah. So that's the first link in the description. So check that out, guys. That's the best way, because that will show you how you can do all this, what I've just explained, but it'll show you in more detail, and it will show you other ways, and like what products to promote, and what commissions you can get, etc. Prizes you can win, bonuses you can get. Worth checking out, guys. That's the first link in the description. That being said, guys, this is 100% free to start. So Amazon's free, YouTube's free. Start promoting content, yeah. And if you decide you want to check them out, feel free to check out ConvertKit, link in the description, and ClickFunnels, the links in the description. But I also recommend, guys, check out my number one link in the description. Check that out. That's if you're really serious, guys, you will be checking that out. So that being said, guys, I'm going to go now because this video should have been uploaded last night, but this phone, for some reason, it recorded it, but it didn't upload it. So I'm going to hopefully upload it now, guys. So I'm J Roberts, Geeky Dad. This is Building My Empire, helping you build your empire. Until next time, guys, goodbye.